Chapter 5: How to Create Content That Sells with AI, from Articles to Videos. Now that you've mastered the art of prompt engineering, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. In this chapter, we'll look at how AI can become your main tool for creating quality, engaging, and sellable content. Whether you're a copywriter, blogger, marketer, or entrepreneur, these methods will help you significantly speed up your workflow and improve the final result. Creating articles and blog posts. A good article should be well-structured, informative, and easy to read. AI can help you with every step of this process. Step 1. Outlining. Don't ask the AI to write the entire article at once. First, ask it to create an outline. Prompt. You are a professional blog editor. Create a detailed outline for an article titled 10 Ways AI is Changing the Future of Marketing. The outline should include a clear introduction, 3 to 4 main sections with subheadings, and a conclusion. The target audience is beginner marketers and small business owners. Step 2. Writing sections. Take each section from the outline and write a separate prompt for it. Prompt. Write a detailed text for the section titled Personalized Marketing Campaigns. Explain how AI helps segment audiences, create personalized email newsletters, and predict customer behavior. The text should be engaging and contain specific examples. Step 3. Editing and polishing. Once you have all the sections, combine them into a single document, review the text, add your unique voice, and check for factual accuracy. AI is a great tool, but it's not a substitute for human editing. Creating engaging social media content. Social media requires a different approach. Content must be concise, catchy, and visually appealing. Writing promotional posts. AI can generate various options for a single post, so you can choose the best one. Prompt. You are a creative SMM manager. Write 5 versions of an Instagram post to promote a healthy eating mobile app. The post should be no more than 100 words, include a clear call to action, and suggest relevant hashtags. Use a motivating, encouraging tone. Generating ideas for reels and stories. Creating video content can be time-consuming, but AI can generate the ideas for you. Prompt. Suggest 5 creative ideas for reels, 15 to 20 seconds each, for a new travel blog on Instagram. The video should be fast-paced, entertaining, and showcase the beauty of nature. The idea should include a specific concept, script, and music suggestions. Creating a content plan. Instead of creating content randomly, use AI to plan your posts for the month ahead. Prompt. Develop a detailed content plan for a financial advisor's Facebook page for the next month. Include topics for posts, ideas for infographics, and questions to ask the audience to increase engagement. The goal is to build trust and authority. Using AI for visual content. Visuals are a key part of any content. AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 can save you a huge amount of time. Creating covers and headers. No more searching for stock photos. You can create a unique image for your article or blog post in minutes. Prompt for Midjourney. A beautiful photo of a modern freelancer working on a laptop in a cozy cafe. Soft cinematic light, natural color palette, professional photography. Generating visuals for social media. Create unique images, infographics, and banners for your posts. Prompt for DALL-E 3. A surrealist-style illustration for an Instagram post about creativity. Brain with growing leaves and flowers surrounded by flying light bulbs. Bright, imaginative colors. Creating audio and video content. AI tools are no longer limited to text and images. With 11 Labs and Suno AI, you can create audio and even music. Voicing text for audiobooks and podcasts. You can turn your articles into audio versions, significantly expanding your audience. Prompt for 11 Labs. Voice this text with a deep, calm, and trustworthy male voice. The tone should be similar to that of a professional narrator. Creating original music and sound effects. Need background music for your video or a podcast intro? AI can help. Prompt. Upbeat and inspiring pop music with a light drum beat and a synth melody. Ideal for a short motivational video. Conclusion. AI is a powerful tool for content creation. It significantly speeds up all processes, from generating ideas and creating content plans to writing articles and developing visual designs. By learning to effectively interact as AI, you can increase your productivity, scale your projects, and create high-quality content that will stand out from the competition. Remember to always add your unique touch and edit the results to make them truly yours. In the next chapter, we will talk about how to monetize these new skills and find real projects and clients.